Is your child struggling as a reader? Did you make the tough decision to keep your child at home due to COVID risk? Are you worried about your child losing ground as a reader? Does your child go to school but still seem to be behind or at risk in reading? Would you like to have support to ensure that your child has the best opportunity to continue growing and excelling as a reader? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then I am here to help you. Hi, my name is Shondolyn Young Richardson. I've been in education for 21 years, and since childhood, I have always loved reading. After earning a bachelor's degree in elementary education, my passion led me to earn a master's degree in reading literacy, national board certification in reading literacy, and certification as a reading specialist. Now this has culminated into my very own consulting business, Tailored Literacy, that caters toward parents who want to help their child succeed as readers. If you would like to know if my services meet your needs, then please visit my website at tailoredliteracy.com. There you will find testimonials from other parents and a way to contact me for a free consultation. Listen, you do not have to do this alone. Together, we can make sure that your child has the individual reading support that he or she needs to be successful. You can reach me by clicking the Contact Me button on my website. I look forward to working with you soon.